Hi guys, and welcome to our OnlyFans account. What you're thinking? OnlyFans? Oh my god. You feel not secured in your house, you need it done as soon as possible? Right now, today, tomorrow, in 3 days, you have a party? You need it done? Call us right now, Globus Gates. We just finished this job. 3 days of installation, 150 feet of aluminum fence, sliding gate with ALUGlobus, pedestrian gate, doorbell intercom. 3 days of installation. No one can compete with this. Call us right now to get it done. Feel secure in your own house. Hi guys! Good to see you again. So this is our beautiful and amazing sliding gate. Aluminum frame. You guessed it right. Wood? No wood. ALUGlobus. This is the right product for you. No chipping, no cracking, no maintenance, no painting, no oiling, no nothing. Just buy it and forget about it. And use it, of course, with a lift master motor for your convenience, from your phone, from your doorbell, from anywhere. Be safe everywhere, guys. So yes, guys, we did this job in 3 days. We have full sliding gate with a motor, intercom system, 150 feet of aluminum fencing, wall clouding, everything you need. We got it. We got you. You need more security? Call us right now. Take care of you. We can't wait to hear from you guys. Call us right now. Globus Gates.